Next year in ChangeNOW, we will have
Un peu plus de radicalité.
Be able to demonstrate that we've conquered with our project a number of continents.
We will be even more present than this year.
Arriver l'année prochaine avec un événement encore plus sustainable.
ChangeNOW is a wonderful event. It collects all the key stakeholders to bring new solutions to the market.
Impressive and incredible opportunity to meet all our ecosystem.
Je vais essayer de ramener des contacts et des bonnes idées en Asie.
The appetite to actually bring change and create impact in the world.
To be inspired by incredible people.
PALO IT had to be here. It's the biggest event when it comes to impact.
Technology, I think, is a great driver to create impact. Of course, we need to be also very cautious on how technology is used.
I'm deeply convinced that tech will be a great accelerator of all sustainability issues.
We see that clearly technology is an enabler to impact.
Beaucoup de positivité, d'engagement et d'optimisme.
I'm convinced that we will succeed in our mission. So yes, let's work to it and make it happen.
Je connais PALO IT parce que quelques-unes de vos antennes ont déjà commencé à devenir entreprise B certifiée, donc à rejoindre le mouvement B Corp.
PALO is a great partner of ours, of course. We've been working with PALO to actually design and create the set of digital tools.
PALO IT is one of our partners since 2 years. We work together within the CircularX project to implement circular loops within the retail sector.
Nous mesurons l'impact environnemental de PALO IT, donc leur bilan carbone, et c'est dans ce cadre-là que nous sommes amenés à collaborer.
To see the next generation really engaged and committed, and that's really a sense of hope that I get for the future.